In 1859, the United States and Great Britain, two world powers, almost went to war. Troops were deployed. Warships were on the move. Cannons were loaded. Tension as tight as a violin string. And the cause of this international crisis was a pig. No joke, no political plot, no oil, no spies. Just one curly-haired black pig with a taste for potatoes. And almost a war. Welcome to Cool Past, where history isn't just a list of dates, but a series of ridiculous, fascinating, and surprisingly human stories. After the War of 1812, the U.S. and Britain agreed to divide up the Pacific Northwest. The Oregon Treaty of 1846 said the border would run along the middle of the channel between the mainland and Vancouver Island. Sounds fair until you look at the map and realize there are two channels. Haro, closer to the U.S., Rosario, closer to Britain. So both sides claim the San Juan Islands in between. While the governments dragged their feet on negotiations, settlers just moved in anyway. Americans farmed. The British raised livestock. No laws, no government, just tension, like two roommates sharing a bathroom but not speaking. In June 1859, a British settler named Charles Griffin had pigs roaming freely. One hungry black pig spotted an American farmer's potato patch. Lyman Cutler's. It looked at the potatoes, then looked deep within, and decided to live its best pig life. Cutler lost it and shot the pig. He offered $10 in damages. Griffin demanded $100. Tensions began. The British threatened to arrest Cutler under British law. The Americans said nope, and so both sides called in reinforcements over a pig. Captain George Pickett arrived with 66 U.S. soldiers. Britain responded with 3 warships, 2,000 Marines, and a whole lot of cannons. They lined up, guns ready, but no one fired. Because no one wanted to explain to Parliament they started a war over a pig. That summer, San Juan became the weirdest dual military base in history. Troops camped beside each other, saluted different flags, patrolled the same roads, drank together at night. Some even played chess, held concerts. Meanwhile, Washington and London were panicking. Wait, are we going to war over a swine? Both sides froze escalation. Troops stayed, but no one could shoot. Result? They co-occupied the island for 12 years. Finally, they brought in an international arbitrator, German Emperor Wilhelm I. After investigating, he ruled, San Juan belongs to the United States. The British peacefully withdrew. No one died, no shots fired. The pig, the sole casualty, got no credit. The Pig War, the strangest conflict of the 19th century. A timeless lesson. Borders may be small, but national egos are huge. Diplomacy might be weird, but it works. And if your neighbor annoys you, at least it's not a potato-stealing pig. And if you own a pig, tie it up. This is Cool Past, where history is told with facts and a smile. Subscribe and ring the bell to join us for more bite-sized time travel on Cool Past. Because here, we don't just study the past, we feel it, one epic misadventure at a time.